everyone, I am Savi and you're watching Dotted Dream. Are you unsure about any decision you make in life? Do you always worry about what people think of you? If this is so, you need to work on your confidence. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a few ways in which you can become more confident. But before starting the video, let me make some points very clear. No one is born confident. Confidence is a skill which can be mastered and worked on. Confidence is a gradual process. It will not happen instantly. So do not expect by looking at this video or by looking at other videos on YouTube or by hearing to a motivational speaker, you will become confident instantly. It takes time and it's only practice which will make you perfect and confident. Confidence is an internal feeling which comes from within. How you look, how you present yourself, what is your body language, how you dress up, are you presentable or not. These are just external factors which adds to it. But the real flavor comes when you feel confidence from inside, from within. So the first thing which will make you more confident is self-love. When I say self-love means valuing your thoughts, valuing your opinions, valuing your views. In some way it is like trusting your own potential, trusting yourself. But how can we achieve it? A person who feels very inferior, एक ऐसा इंसान जो खुद के बारे में बहुत लो सोचता है या खुद को औरों से कम समझता है, how that can person start, having self-love? Well, it's not so easy, but again, it's not difficult too. So to find out self-love, you have to start focusing on your strength. All the things you are good at. What are your strengths? What are the things which pushes you at times? And again, you have to embrace all your weaknesses. Mind you, I use the word embrace. I did not use accept, because when you embrace, you accept your things and at the same time you work to improve them. So there's a very easy pen and paper trick to do this. Take a paper, take your diary, make 2 columns. On the one side, write down your strength. It can be so many things. You may be good at some sports, you may be good in some particular subject, or you may be very good in handling panicky situations. You remain more calm and composed. You are able to deal with stress in your life. They may be your strength. So once you have done this, you need time for it. You have to give time for it. Go inside yourself, talk to yourself and find out. You will realize that there are so many things good in you. There are so much of strength which is hidden inside you. And now it's come to talk about the things which are our weaknesses. Instead of saying weaknesses, let me say that these are the things which makes us stuck at a particular point, which makes us deadlock in life. So let's start, recognizing them, embracing them. It may be things like that you are hesitant in talking to a stranger, you have stage fear, you feel that you don't have much to talk to people, people will feel bored with you, they will not be interested in a conversation with you. So there may be so many things which you think that these are the places where I'm lacking. So you have to write down them too, and then you have to start working on it. Now how to work on it? It's not like a push-up or working out in the gym or planning a strategy. What you have to do, that once you recognize कि ये ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे आके मैं फंस जाता हूँ या फंस जाती हूँ, these are the places where I get stuck. So in those areas, start jumping into the ground level, okay? Start jumping into the war field and working on it. अगर आपको किसी नए लोगों से बात करने में हिचक है और इसकी वजह से आपने कई सारे इन्विटेशंस को नो कहा है, तो उनको यस करना शुरू करिए. ऐसी जगहों पे जाना शुरू करिए. Go out, never hesitate to go and meet people in new places. If you feel कि पहली बार कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करने में आपको हिचक होती है, तो आप वही करिए. जो चीजों में आपको लगता है कि आप अच्छे नहीं हैं, आप उनको करने को जाइए. You go and try out those things. Try to start a conversation with a stranger. Go to places where you used to say no. So start replacing your no with a yes. So once you start working on these things, you will gradually you will start overcoming them, and you will start working on them, and you will be able to become more confident in life. So somewhere I can say that self-love is kind of self-awareness. Self-awareness means knowing yourself. So you know what kind of person you are, you know your strength, you know your weaknesses, you embraced your weaknesses. You have, आपने उनको गले लगा लिया है. You are loving yourself the way you are. So once that feeling emerges from inside, you will start feeling confident. You will start, brimming with positivity. You will start brimming with happiness, smiles and joy, and you will become a very confident person in life. The second thing which I will say you is stop worrying too much about what people think of you, what people talk about you. Because हमने हमेशा यही सुना है और हमने अपने आमने सामने के लोगों को यही करते हुए देखा है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अगर हम ये करेंगे तो लोग ये कहेंगे, हम ये नहीं करेंगे तो भी लोग ये कहेंगे. So stop giving too much of weightage to the others' opinions and other views. So you have to start believing in yourself. Just to satisfy a bunch of people around you who think in a particular way, we start changing our actions, our behavior in a different way, and in turn, this kind of attitude is harming us. ये हमारे साथ बुरा कर रहा है, ये हमें अपनी लाइफ में पीछे खींच रहा है. So stop worrying about what people talk about you, what people say about you. Just concentrate on what you feel about yourself. You will definitely start feeling more confident when you will work on this second tip. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, the people who give you positive vibes, the people with positive attitude, and try to stay away from negativity, people who are just pulling you down. Or in many situations हम ऐसी चीजों को हमेशा avoid नहीं कर सकते हैं. Then just become deaf to all these negativities around you. Just concentrate on yourself, love yourself, and just believe in yourself. Become deaf to all this criticism which comes around you. Once you do this, you will become more confident in life. Always turn these criticisms and hurdles which comes in front of you into opportunities which pushes you to go further in life, and not as things or reasons which stops you. Stop self-deprecating thoughts and actions. हमें हमेशा ये सिखाया गया है कि हम अपनी काबिलियत या अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं तो इसका मतलब कि we have become boastful, we have become proudy, we think too much of ourselves. This is completely wrong. Whenever anyone gives a compliment to you, we always shrug it off. So when you are shrugging off the compliments which you receive, it means you are not believing in yourself. Like people come to me by saying that you have amazing videos, your content is good, then I never tell them that is it that good? Oh, is it? I don't think so. I in return tell them that yes, I have really worked hard for it. I have put so much of efforts, and that is why it has come out so well. So you should have the guts and heart to accept all the compliments which come on your way gracefully. When you do this, you are giving respect to yourself, you are increasing your confidence. Because always remember, when you value yourself more, only then the people around you will value you and cherish you. Focus always on solutions and not the problem. It's very easy to say, but we don't do it very often. Like if you do not crack up an exam, or there is a problem in the office, or that something has cropped up in the college or in the school, we just stick at that particular point and keep blaming, the circumstances, or we blame ourselves or the people around you. Please stop doing it. Just concentrate on how can you solve that problem, how can you turn the situation. So we need to work more on the solutions and come out of these problems. So stop focusing on the problem, rather work to find out the solutions. Confidence is a quality which takes you a long ahead, not just personally but also professionally. Wherever you go, people love to be surrounded by confident, positive people. So when you feel confident from inside, it's also very important to show that confidence coming up when you are meeting people. So in that case, your grooming, your body language is very, very important to show up the confidence in you. And when you do these things, you start feeling more and more confident day after day. Dress up always well, dress up according to the occasion. Occasion के हिसाब से dress करना आपके confidence को दिखाता है. Like if you're going to a party and you have very dressed up in a dull dress, आप वहाँ पे सबसे अलग दिखेंगे. आपको खुद को बिल्कुल आप खुद को कटा हुआ feel करेंगे. लेकिन आप अगर occasion के हिसाब से dress करते हैं, so you will always feel inside. It will bring more confidence in you. So just you need to be not overdressed or underdressed. Just simply dress up according to the occasion. look presentable, work on your hygiene, work on your odor, body odor, work on your mouth odor, use a good perfume, smell good. Like when you pass by, people really feel as if a cool breeze is going across in them. So when you have these things in you, you will automatically start feeling more confident in your life. Work on your styling, do experiments with your hair, do experiments with your makeup, try out different kind of dresses and patterns. When you do things like this, it definitely increases the confidence in you. When it comes to body language, a right body language creates a lot of difference in your confidence. Always stand straight, with your back straight, with your shoulders straight. Show up yourself. An open body language shows how confident you are. On the other side, if you slouch, or if you hunch, if you just stand like this, suppose I'm talking to you like this. I'm just sharing my thoughts with you like this. You will not be interested in me. But when I show up, when my shoulder is straight, I have smile on my face, I have that positive attitude, I will attract people towards me. This will add to my confidence. I will feel more happy. I will feel more confident. So show up yourself, open up your body language, show the world what you have inside you. Have a proper eye contact when you are in a conversation with people. When you look straight in the eyes, you develop a connect. You develop a connection. You tell the other person that you are interested in the conversation. You are taking full interest. Just imagine I'm talking to you, but I'm looking that side, or I'm looking there and just talking to you. I know that within a second, you will lose that contact. You will lose that connection, and you will just skip the channel or go to another channel. So to develop an eye contact, it's really very important to have and develop the connection. You will feel a lot of difference in your confidence once you do that. Use your hands, use your eyes, use your facial expressions when you're having conversation with people. Don't keep your hands folded, or just don't twisting your fingers or twisting your clothes. In this way, you are closing yourself. So always remember that right kind of attitude and body language really is a very, very important part in making you more confident. So I really hope that you liked all the tips which I shared with you. These are all my personal experiences. I was never so outspoken and so confident. I was a very shy and introvert child. I really used to hesitate in talking to people, meeting new people. I always had a thought that I do not have something interesting to share when I meet people, so they will not be interested in me. I don't have something interesting. I cannot crack jokes. I don't have humor. I don't have this and I don't have that. So actually these are just stories which we have created in our own mind. The story is actually completely different. So don't make stories in your mind. Stop worrying of what people think about you, what people talk about you. Even if they criticize you, just become deaf. Don't give importance to any negativity around you. You have to be sure about yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself. Embrace everything inside you. Embrace your weaknesses. Embrace your strength. Work on the tips which I shared with you today, and gradually within some time you will definitely become more confident and you will have great victories in your life. Okay? So if you really like this video, then please give a thumbs up, do share with your friends, and the people who are watching for the first time, please subscribe to the channel Dotted Dreams, and do not forget to hit the bell icon because you will get the notifications of all the videos which are coming. And if you really like today's video, please do give your feedback in the comment box. So take a lot of care, become very, very confident in your life, face all the challenges with a smile and a positive attitude, and turn every criticism, every negativity into opportunities, into reasons which pushes you hard and makes you a super happy and super successful person in life. Stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.